Supper tonight is red rice stuffed mushrooms. These are stuffed with red rice that is also known as Bhutan rice. It's also known as Mahatma rice. It's like a whole grain. It's really high in antioxidants, and I really like the flavor because it's quite nutty, and the texture is really meaty too. Inside of my stuffed mushrooms, I've got some onion, I've got some chopped up almonds, I've got some chili sauce, lemon juice, and salt. I'll link the recipe below. For 2 caps, it's 5 points. I'm going to pair this with a cherry salsa. I don't have a recipe for this because I kind of just made it up from something that I remember. So it's a corn and cherry salsa. So I've got this is canned corn in my bowl. And here I've got some cherries that I've already seeded, already pitted. And I've got some canned jalapenos and some green onions. Put this all in here. I'm going to add in a little pinch of Himalayan salt, and then add in some lime juice. I don't have any cilantro. This is kind of an on-the-fly supper for me. But this is how I kind of put it all together. I think this will pair very nicely with these stuffed mushrooms. So that's all there is to that. Put this in the middle of my plate. I take this as probably 0 points because there's really nothing in it. It's all fresh. Add in a couple of my mushrooms. And that's it. That's my red rice stuffed mushrooms. I hope you take a look at the recipe and maybe you'll try it for yourselves. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.